Here's a recipe for making American carrot salad for a July 4th barbecue or a summer picnic. Move over potato salad, macaroni salad, and coleslaw, and make room for the delicious and sweet carrot salad. Kids don't like their vegetables, and especially their carrot vegetables, but they will love them in this American carrot salad with the sweet raisins and crushed pineapple and even a dash of sugar. So let's pick the carrots from our backyard gardens or pick them from the grocery store for our main ingredient and star of this recipe, the carrot. Now we need to give these baby carrots or big boy carrots a bath before we start our recipe. Now fresh and cleaned, these carrots are ready to be grated. Here is my lovely wife, Lucille, grating the carrots. Start American carrot salad recipe. 2 cups of shredded carrots. Add mayonnaise, crushed pineapple, raisins, sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix all ingredients together. Chill for at least 2 hours. Ta-da! The carrot salad recipe is finished and ready to eat. Here's the carrot salad recipe. Just pause it and do it.